walk on the streets of Vietnam. Hands up if you gotta be careful. Hands down if you low-key don't give a fuck. And then nothing if you don't give a shit for anything. Be careful, be careful. Oh shit! That is how you fuck in Vietnam. What's going on, everybody? So I am chilling here in Koh Rong, Cambodia, looking like a lobster, burnt as shit, but I got friends, so it makes everything a lot better. What's your name?
My name is Jeff. What's up? My name is Sean, guys. What's going on?
Hey.
I'm just enjoying the weather, man. Enjoying my meal.
Hey. What's your
My
name?
name is Peter, and this is my chicken burger.
Yummy.
Yummy.
What's your name? What is your name?
Harry, and I'm just about to indulge in a cigarette.
Let's go. Let's get that. Let's get that on camera. Boom. Very cinematic. Yes, he knows. Into the camera. Blow into the camera. Nice. Well, if you're gonna be watching this video, your coronavirus is probably gonna be getting crazier or better. I don't know, but I'm kind of stuck in Cambodia in a way right now. Been on this island for 4 days, and yeah, I'm just trying to figure my way out, but living life, having fun at the same time. You already know what it is, but I will keep you guys in tune and let you guys know what happens next. So I'll see you guys in the next one.
Alright, guys, so we're just about to leave Koh Rong Island right now. We're just waiting for the boat. We're heading back to Phnom Penh just to figure out some stuff. We'll see what's popping. We may have to come back to Canada early, unfortunately, but
Fuck Corona.
fuck
man.
Corona, man.
Everything's canceled.
Everything. 2020's been canceled.
Come back home.
Facts. 2020 been canceled, man. Been canceled. Jesus Christ.
He just woke up from a nap.
Alright, guys, so yeah, we're just hanging out. We're just waiting for our boat, not our boat, our bus. We just got to Phnom Penh, not maybe, we said like 2 hours ago.
This is a Phnom Penh. We have to get Phnom Penh.
We're in yeah, something like that. No disrespect though, but yeah, we just chilling, ice scoffing that. But at the same time, it's worth it. I got three Asian ladies pampered me. Got a nice massage, also my shirt's off. And I got my nails, my nails did. Quan got his legs and his feet nice and massaged, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, yo, so you know your boy just made it. You know what I'm saying? I'm with my boy Quan. Yo, Quan, cheers! Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? This is what we're saying. So then we got the rooftop view. Then we got a rooftop pool. What you know about that? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, I'm about to take a little dip. I'll talk to you guys after.
Get ready to go pizza, bro.
I'm ready.
Waiting when the sun's down.
Flex on. Cheers!
Waiting for the calm down. Walk the streets with me. I'm doing deep.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, I thought you were gonna hold it harder. I think you're gonna hold it. It didn't break, it didn't break, it didn't break, it didn't break, it didn't break. It didn't break.
Fuck, this is it. This is
Hey
it.
man, I can't believe we're home. Fuck.
Alright, bro.
Ooh. Hey.
Easy, bro.
Catch
Be
you,
safe. Be safe.
Oh yeah, my